Well guys, you know I'm not a huge fan of half tons, so we have to start testing them more. We have to start toying with them because, as you know, I bought a GMC and I actually like it a lot. Which leads me to believe that I potentially could like this Toyota Tundra a lot too. Now, I got the truck delivered. Someone allowed me to borrow this truck for a few days, do some testing with it, some towing videos. We have a black trailer here. Yeah, okay. And you guys know we just bought a small RV. So, if my wife is available, I do want to get it weighed with family. I'm going to put some stuff in the bed. Hey, cutie in the robe. Are you going to be available to do some videos?
Sure.
Maybe? All right. You guys heard it there first. So, let's go ahead and take a look at this Toyota Tundra that we have outside. Well, you guys ready to see it? It's right here actually. Let's take a look at it. Really quickly before I show you guys the truck, I want to show you just how clean my GMC is. Like, whoa. You guys don't understand. This thing was filthy. And it actually hasn't been driven since I washed it because I wanted to like let it stay clean for at least a week. So my wife's car, however, is filthy. So I'm gonna have to clean this. Oh yeah, by the way too, a lot of you guys have been complaining about my camera looking to be zoomed in. So pick your poison. Do you want it to be zoomed in or do you want to be seasick with me when I'm like this all the time? Because the stabilization crops my video. I had to do some research because I was trying to figure out why too. But I'd rather you guys not get sick watching my video. So you're going to have to see things really close and you're going to have to use your imagination in some cases. So when I figure out a new lens, if that might help me, I'll do it. But without further ado, here is the 2023 Toyota Tundra. It's a limited trim level, crew cab. It has the 6.5 foot bed, which is the longest bed you can get. And quite honestly, this is a beautiful, beautiful pickup. I cannot wait to show you guys some towing videos with that guy. That thing weighs about 3,000 pounds. And I'm going to show you guys something. A lot of people will say that, you know, the Toyota Tundras and really all the half tons are okay to tow 28, 30 foot travel trailers. This is probably about a 20 footer, 21 footer, 22, somewhere in there. I don't know any specs on this. I don't know if I told you guys. I literally bought this thing at the last minute. So I was getting a Braxton Creek that I did a review on because that's the one I wanted to get because it was smaller than this. It's a little bit smaller. But I hit my head so hard on the entry door. I said, oh, heck no. Heck no. We're going to be using this for a rental. And I need that door to be taller. So that's why we switched it. And yeah, we're going to be towing that with this. And we also have my garage is dirty, sorry. We have the black trailer. Yes, we have the black trailer. Sorry. I got this bike. I don't know when I'm going to post this video, but it's a bike for exercising and someone wanted me to do a review on it. That's why all these boxes are in here. And hold on, let me move this one too. But yeah, check it out. This trailer doesn't look big until you look down the side. Holy smokes, look how big that thing is. And the Toyota will love to tow this trailer because it's families inside. So we have a Lexus inside of here. I have not gotten this thing weighed, but I am going to take everything out of here except for the car because all this stuff, there's a jack inside of there and there's something else that's heavy in here. And I got to take all that stuff out because this truck's payload will probably have just enough for just me and this trailer. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to make any promises. I'm going to try to take this truck and this trailer to get it weighed together. And as I said earlier in the video, I'm going to take Hannah and the kids, my generator, and my freezer in this truck. I'm going to take all that out of there and put it in the bed of this truck. And then we're going to drive to get the truck weighed to see just how much payload you'll have with a small travel trailer, single axle. I guarantee you, once you put your hitch and all your stuff, your gear, I might even pack a suitcase and put it in the truck just to see. And then in the summertime, when it's not so cold, I will fill up the tanks. Now the tanks on this RV, they are back here. So your black and gray tanks are right there. And the freshwater tank is actually on the other side where the bunk is. I don't like that they put that one back there. They should have put that one in the front, because I'm willing to bet you that if you are camping and your gray and black tanks are full with, you know, with solids, and you still have a little bit of fresh water, this thing could get too heavy on the rear. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll fill up all the tanks and see if I feel that feeling. But stay tuned, guys. Like I said, Toyota Tundra is fresh to death. I am going to do a walk around for you guys, show you guys some of the features. I don't have a window sticker, unfortunately, but as you guys know, these things are not cheap. So we will build one online, because it has the panoramic sunroof. It has, I think that's about it, actually. I think that it doesn't have the power deployable running boards. It doesn't have the step in the back for the bed. So it's missing a few things, but otherwise it's a nice truck. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. We got some towing videos coming. If it had a fifth wheel prep package, I would at least hook it up to the fifth wheel, but that fifth wheel is way too big for this truck. Actually, that's way too big for this truck too, but we're gonna try it out and see. And because it has air suspension, hopefully that might help us, like with the stability. I am going to air up the tires all the way. That way we can get max PSIs, obviously, with max stability. And then, yeah, this should be fun. If you haven't done so yet, as I've said many times, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Support JB Reviews. This is a channel that's going to keep growing because I love what I do. When you love what you do, you just get better at it. And I think I'm getting a little bit better. I mean, my subscribers do the talking for me. I mean, I'm not that great of a talker at all. I just blab my mouth half the time, but it doesn't matter because you guys like me, and that's okay. And I like you too. I do love Toyota, guys. I'm going to talk a lot of trash, though. So if you love Toyota, you probably don't want to watch these videos. I'm going to talk a lot of trash about this truck because I love it. When I talk trash about something, that means I like it. When I talk trash about Ford, I know Ford is one of the best trucks out there. But you can't always say good things about good trucks. And although I love my wife, I would never say anything bad about her. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm talking too much. See you guys in the next video, okay? Stay tuned. I'm telling you, we're going to have some fun.